This comic explores the philosophical concepts of truth and falsity. Based on René Descartes' insights, the story begins with a teacher discussing Descartes' fourth meditation on truth and falsity, revealing his method of systematic doubt and belief in the reliability of clear ideas. The students then continue the discussion, questioning the subjectivity of truth and personal perspectives. The comic encourages critical thinking and deeper understanding of perceptions and beliefs, challenging preconceived notions. Scene number 1. A classroom with a teacher and students. Today, we're going to explore the concept of truth and falsity. Let's dive in. Truth is a representation of reality. It corresponds to the facts and aligns with what is real. So is everything that is true always true? Well, truth can be subjective or objective. Sometimes what we perceive as true might be influenced by our own perspectives. Uh, what about falsity? How is it different from truth? Falsity refers to something that is not true or incorrect. It doesn't align with the facts or reality. But what if someone believes something is true, even if it's not? That's where things get interested. Perception and belief can sometimes lead to false ideas, even if someone genuinely believes them to be true. It's important to critically examine information, seek evidence, and consider different perspectives to distinguish truth from falsity. By developing critical thinking skills, fact-checking, and being open to challenging our own beliefs, we can strive for a clearer understanding of truth. How can we navigate a world filled with misinformation? So, truth is a constant pursuit rather than a fixed destination? Exactly. It's a journey of seeking knowledge, questioning, and continuously refining our understanding of the world around us. Scene number 2. Two students discussing the nature of truth and falsity. We have a philosophy assignment on the nature of truth and falsity. Where do we start? Well, truth is generally considered to be in alignment with fact or reality. But how can we determine what's the fact? People can have different perspectives, right? Yeah, true. That's where it gets complex. Our perceptions can influence our understanding of truth. So, is truth subjective? Can something be true for me and false for someone else? That's a debated topic. Some believe in absolute truth that the same for everyone, while others see truth as relative and dependent on one's perspectives. What about falsity? Is it simply the absence of truth? Uh, Falsity is usually understood as the state of being untrue or incorrect, but like truth, it could be influenced by personal beliefs and perceptions. So, understanding truth and falsity involves questioning our perceptions and beliefs. It's more complex than I thought. Exactly. It's a fascinating topic. Let's dive deeper into it. Conclusion. This comic is a philosophical journey. It is a comic that explores philosophical concepts, focusing on Descartes' teachings and highlight the teacher and student discussions. The comic follows a classroom where students explore Descartes' fourth meditation on truth and falsity. In a thought-provoking conversations between two students, the comic encourages readers to question their understanding of truth and falsity, emphasizing the continuous pursuit of knowledge. Thank you and God bless.